Okay, this award-winning show band returns to Portland Rose Festival for the 13th consecutive year. It's the Centennial High School Awesome Eagles Show Band. The Centennial High School Awesome Eagles, under the direction of Darryl Dyer, have won the Sweepstakes Award for their performance in the Grand Floral Parade every year since 1979.
And their list of awards goes on and on. Let's listen as they play Glorious Victory by Kendall.
The Centennial High School Awesome Eagle Show Band. That's what they call themselves. And they are awesome, no doubt about that.
And they don't go anywhere without their flag team.
Those are the longest dresses I've ever seen a flag team wear.